Dark energy can force galaxies apart, but can it push an apple to the ground? Dark energy is the massive, mysterious force that is expanding the entire universe. Dark energy makes up 70% of the galaxy at least. Dark energy has the power to push entire galaxies apart. The prime candidate for dark energy seems to be vacuum energy, or zero-point energy, which is even larger. Vacuum energy is the energy that pops up everywhere in space. This post looks at dark energy, makes some statements, and asks some questions. First, an analogy. The dust in the wind analogy. Let's simplify things and say the universe has only two things. There's a tornado that makes up 70% of the universe, and some dust in the tornado that makes up 0.05% of the universe. Next, label the two parts. The tornado is dark energy. The dust is all the galaxies, stars, planets, etc. Here's the breakdown. All matter in the universe makes up 5%, but almost all of that is hydrogen or helium gas or neutrinos. The part left is the 1/10 of matter, or 0.05%, that is galaxies, stars, planets, etc. When you compare the two, you see that all matter is virtually a little dust in the dark energy tornado. Dark energy can separate galaxies. Yes, it is that massive a force of expansion. But if it can separate galaxies, can it push them together? Can dark energy push galaxies into clumps of galaxies or galaxy clusters? When we look at maps of galaxy clusters, they look like strands of netting that are woven together. They sure look like dark energy can push galaxies together. Dark energy can separate galaxies, but can it spin them? The point here is that dark matter, the other mysterious force in the universe that makes up 25% of the universe, has been theorized as real by the fact that galaxies spin faster than the visible matter should suggest. So if dark matter can separate galaxies or clump them together, then it probably can spin them too. This may give a clue to what dark matter is and why no one has ever been able to find any matter there. The reason it's not there may be that it is dark energy spinning the galaxies. Dark energy can separate galaxies, but can it push an apple to the ground? Does it have enough energy to push an apple to the ground? That is obviously yes, so much so that it sounds silly. Yet there was a clear reason why I chose an apple. Finally, dark energy can separate galaxies, but can it cause resistance to matter accelerating in space? This last point about dark energy and gravity will be discussed at another time. Thanks for reading. See my other videos and posts for more on this and other parts of my suggested larger model.